guys, welcome back to my channel Ashora. This is Aishwarya. I make beauty, fashion and lifestyle content here on YouTube. Take a moment and subscribe to my channel and join the Aura Squad, and also click the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And with that, let's dive straight into the video. First and foremost thing is to moisturize your face really well. Your skin needs to have 2 to 3 layers of moisturizer before going on to the foundation step. Apply a sunscreen. So here I am using Dermaco's 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen aqua gel. It is a really good sunscreen that doesn't leave a white cast on your face, and that's why I love this. Once you have applied your sunscreen, you can either go for any gel or moisturizer. You can either use Pond's Super Light Gel. This is one of my favorites. Otherwise, you can also go for Cetaphil or any lotion like this, which is not that runny, inconsistent. The next step is the primer. Love using Insights primer in your pores. If you have lot of hyperpigmentation on your face, near your eyes, or you can see this area, it doesn't match to my skin tone. So that is what hyperpigmentation is. The areas which are slightly darker from your actual face tone. So to conceal my hyperpigmentation, I am using concealer palette from Insight again. For now, we take this orangish color concealer and apply it to the areas where we have hyperpigmentation. Blend in your concealer really well. The next step is to go for a foundation. I love using Lakme 925 foundation in the range Primer Matte. You can also use Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is also a very affordable and yet a very nice foundation. Sometimes I like mixing these two foundations. My shade in Lakme 925 is number N220, that is neutral medium. And in Maybelline Fit Me also it's the same shade. Without any contemplation, you can go purchase this shade. We take tiny amount of foundation and dot it all over. For blending purpose, you can use a brush or a beauty blender or simply your fingers, because that gives a perfect finish. Today I'll be using beauty blender. And also this hairline, you have to be very careful, because otherwise it looks like you haven't covered your face properly, and also your neck region. Don't miss out on those things. The neck region, the hairline. You can also go on your ears a bit with the remaining product. I use concealer from the brand Insight on your under eyes, the inner and the outer corner, on the area which is hyperpigmented. Using the other side of this beauty blender. Last and final step is to set your under eyes. I like setting my under eye with compact powder. If you feel that you have extra powder, you have extra compact powder on your face, just dust it out using a fluffy brush, just like this. This is me after I have applied some lipstick. If we have reached the end of this video, I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.